Oh God. I wish I had a laser on your gun. Like mine. Okay, so some more ammo. So yeah. Hey, good stuff. Get up, come on. Let's go. Shut the door. Oh, yeah.
That was good.
Nobody's gonna know.
Oh, high five.
What's up, man? What's the password?
Bananas?
Yup, sure.
It's you. We got a real problem here. Someone shot Dylan with the poison dart, and now he's down. And then he just disappeared. He's nowhere. So we gotta track him down.
I want it. Come on, track him down.
We located him. Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Okay. Get the guns ready.
Gotta find this person.
All right. Nathan, guard the door. We're going.
What? Okay.
Alright, let's go.
No. Quiet.
Is anybody here? Who are you?
Who are you?
We're investigating a name. XPO. Still.
I don't know. No.
You have 3 seconds to answer. 1, 2,
5. He's in there.
investigate this guy.
Keep on. No second here.
Let's go. I'll take this side. Go. 3. I found him.
It looks like he's paralyzed.
Is there somebody?
Someone in there.
There's someone in here.
I think I got him.
No,
Looks like he's still alive. I got his arm. Oh God.
You reloading?
Yes. I got him. Philip, are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Come on. Go get Lee. Go heal.
We need him. He's wounded.
Looks like he's really paralyzed.
Still wounded.
We need to investigate.
Send him into the.
Oh, looks like it.
Send him into the base.
Where are these people?
Just lock him up.
Okay, we're fine.
Okay, now we need to see if we're
I
safe.
think we need to see if we're safe.
I
think I see shadows.
Oh, I see. You guys see shadows?
Who are you people?
Those are the people who helped us under security breach. And they're holding the hostage. Let's get them.